Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you an invitation that I received from LOKLiK, and this invitation is to share with you the news. Let me open it. This is a beautiful box. Okay, and the brand is LOKLiK. They make a cutting machine, and look, I have up here something specially from them, and this one I think it's a t-shirt or an apron. Let me see. This one is a t-shirt and it has the logo LOKLiK. And let's see what else it comes in this box. I have right here a card, and this one is a card that briefly describes the brand. See? Then right here we have this one is a catalog. It says LOKLiK product catalog. Ooh. See, this is the machine. Let me show you. Here is the content. And this one is the cutting machine. And many people purchased this machine, and now they are about to receive one of these. So I'm going to make samples so you can see what you can do. And look the colors that they will have. They have the white one, the blue, pink, and denim blue. 4 colors. And this one is the LOKLiK Idea Studio. They have a lot of images that you can see if you want to use it in your projects. See, here are some samples, and wow, they are going to have an LOKLiK auto heat press. As you can see, they will have the auto heat press in all of these colors. And LOKLiK is going to have the easy heat press too. Can you see right here, the brand will say LOKLiK, and I love this one. It's a good size. And also the mini heat press. See, they're very, very cute and very useful. And they will also have a LOKLiK auto tumbler heat press. See, it's going to look like this. And as you can see, you can make tumblers and others. And they will also carry heat transfer vinyl. As you can see, the different colors, adhesive vinyls. So it's going to be a lot of materials under this brand. See, the LOKLiK sublimation paper, this sublimation paper, printable paper, and heat transfer paper like this, and also the weeding tools. Everything will be available soon with the brand of LOKLiK. See, even the cutting mats, transfer tape, and they will have the heat resistant tape, and of course the Teflon sheets. That's so exciting that you can find everything with the same brand, right? So this is the catalog, and right here, here are some cardstock, so I can use it for my samples. And look, I have all of these cardstocks. And right here, they sent me this one. It's a canvas tote. Can you see? It's huge. I need to iron on. It's a big canvas that I can use for making samples when I get the machine. See? Then, right here, I have a cup. And maybe I can use this one when I get the auto tumbler heat press. And right here, the cup has the brand LOKLiK at the bottom. So this is a blank, and And right here, I will see what is in here. Oh, this is a wither. Look. And this one will work like this. And I just need to put it together. And now I have a wither, very, very sharp. That's awesome. See? So I'm going to put it like this. So this is very useful and very nice. And here I have a pin that says LOKLiK. See? So cute. I love this color. So, so cute. And right here, I need to take it this way. I have some vinyl, and I think this one is like HTV. So now I'm going to show you. I love this one that says LOKLiK. I can personalize something, like, for example, it's going to be amazing. See? And look at this one for Christmas. Then right here, another one for Christmas. It's a plaid vinyl. Then look at this, so, so cute. It looks like real fur. So cute. And this one right here. See? So those are amazing vinyls that I can use for my samples in the future. See? And these are awesome news because you will have everything under one brand, and these are very, very affordable. So please stay tuned for the LOKLiK machine review. It's coming soon. I will put the link of the Facebook group and also from their website in the description box. Thank you very much for watching, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.